Now to forecast, Joseph, if we look at the radar tonight, there's just a lot of stuff going on.
Yes, it's green, it's white, we have rain through the valley and snow
Yeah.
up on the mountains. I mean,
Look at all those colors.
yeah, a little bit of yellow and orange, which is indicating some heavier rain showers. And some locations like Vernonia might even see a little bit of snow mixing in tonight with some of this heavier rain, and we'll watch those higher elevations there in the Coast Range. But a good amount of moisture right here near the radar as it does kind of track off to the east. So we're expecting those rain showers here up and down the Willamette Valley. And no change there for the Cascades. It's going to remain snowy as we head into the overnight hours. I want to pause it right here, though, because as this colder air starts to infiltrate our region overnight tonight, the snow levels will be dropping, and areas like Sandy might start to see that snowfall through the overnight into early tomorrow morning. Right now, just noticing the rain, but as that colder air again starts to roll on in, I do have those snow levels down to about 2,000 feet. So you probably know about where your house is located or your community, so just be careful with that. Possibilities of about 3 inches or so for areas right around Sandy and higher elevations in Estacada and those locations there. Okay, satellite and radar, we do have that disturbance. It's even allowing for a little bit of lightning there off in the Pacific just west of Washington. Right now in Portland, we're staying pretty cloudy, but showers are going to be in and out, and at times it might be heavy. The wind's running out of the southwest right around 8 miles per hour. And as long as we have that southerly breeze, it's going to keep us slightly warmer. I'll show you Sunday's forecast before everything starts to change and we might have a chance for some lowland snow. So here you go. Here's Sunday. We'll start off with some rain. We'll keep some showers in the forecast. Temperatures warming up to about the lower to mid 40s. In fact, it's probably going to get a little bit cooler as we go through the course of the day. And by 7 p.m., I have us at 39 degrees. What occurs after that? Well, the possibility for some colder air starting to arrive at that point in time. We'll start seeing the snow levels dropping Sunday night. So here's my forecast thoughts for the next couple of days. We have 3 moments where we're going to kind of focus our attention to. It's going to be late Sunday night, Monday evening and overnight, and then again on Wednesday. What I could tell you for sure is the mountains are going to continue to rake in the snowfall. That goes across the whole state. And then we'll start to notice that the Coast Range is going to be picking up some snowfall down to the roads, probably as we head into Sunday evening and night. So we'll notice that the Coast Range is going to start to increase in snowfall. And I still think snow is probably pretty likely as we head into definitely Wednesday, but maybe even a little bit before that for the valley. That could go for areas of Portland down to Salem and everything in between. So a couple things I'm watching, looking forward in time now, is what is going to occur late Monday night, if we have any chance for freezing rain, and will that snow event on Wednesday continue into Thursday? Those are still kind of up in the air, and we'll iron out those details as we go through the next couple of days. All right, FUTURECAST, I'll show you what's going on. We'll continue to see that surge of snowfall through the Cascades. We have some isolated showers early tomorrow morning. Some may be a bit heavy, but we'll call it isolated to the day. We get into Monday morning, those snow levels start falling down, and at that point in time, I have it about 300 feet or so, 500 feet, but we might see some very light snow early Monday morning. We'll keep an eye on that for you. And then we get into Monday evening. Notice we have this disturbance right here. The tracking of this has been kind of wobbly, but it might start pulling in some cold air, enough to bring in some snowfall Monday night. We kind of avoid stuff on Tuesday, and then here comes Wednesday's big disturbance where you can see mainly just snowfall there for many locations from Portland down to about Salem. So it is definitely going to get busy. I'm going to put up a new web article here that you can find at coin.com. You can read some of those details, and of course, reach out to me on social media as well, because there's a lot going on, and I know that I can't always cover it in this span of time. 7-day forecast. Notice I have possible snow in the forecast late Monday night, and then again Wednesday and potentially into Thursday.
Okay, yeah, a lot going on, and then still some time for some different factors to kind of push things one way or another. So
these systems, they do it all the time, all the way down to the last 12 hours or so. So I could tell you Wednesday's looking pretty favorable for some snow, and we'll have updates, of course.
Yeah, in the meantime, keep it tuned to Coin 6. We'll keep you up to speed. Thanks, Joseph. All right, just ahead tonight.